What up everyone, it's Jay with TraderX, and today I'm going to go over our first ever day trading recap for the channel. So today I traded only one stock, and here are the filled orders. You can see exactly where I bought and sold, and I'm going to walk through that with you right now. So first off, the stock was ticker symbol KAVL, and the way I found that to trade was using the scanner. We have certain preferences we have set for the scanner, which I can go into more detail in a different video. But in the morning, I clicked scan and it was one of the top gappers here. So if we go look here, my first trade of the day, I bought in at around 6:39 in the morning, and I bought in at the price 307. So if we go to the stock, ticker symbol KAVL, you can see here, the time is right here. It's going to pop up on your screen right here. So 6:38 in the morning, I got filled at the price 307, which you can see to the right over here. I got filled at the price of 307, and I only give up 2.5% every trade. So my stop would have been at 299, but it never hit my stop and ended up going. Now a lot of you might be wondering why I decided to trade this stock, and it's for multiple reasons, but one of them is first off the uptrending pattern. If you look at the stock on different time frames, you can see that the past few days it has consistently been trading above the EMA line, this blue line right here, signaling signs of an uptrend and growth. It's been just constantly day after day going up. You can look at it at other time frames, bigger ones. It has a lot of room to grow, obviously, which is why I found it attractive. Here's the past 5 days, just constantly been going up. And another reason I really liked this stock was the volatility. Right when the market opened up, as you can see here, the stock pushed about 9%. That's something I find to be very attractive, and I would assume others would too. And the way I like to, or my strategy, you can say, to trade, is I wait for a big push to show signs that it is uptrending and there's a lot of people trading it, meaning it's volatile. And I wait for the stock to pull back to a nice support area around the middle VWAP and EMA line. I look to get in around here like I did at 307. I have a 2.5% stop loss. That's just how much I'm willing to give up every trade. If it hits 2.5%, I'm out. It's going to trigger it and I take a loss. But as you can see here again, I got in at 307, 639, and I sold at 321. I got around here, 639, 307, didn't hit my stop, goes, and I decided to cut it at 321 for around a 4.5% profit. The reason I cut it here, which is obviously premature, ended up going a lot higher, was because of this previous resistance area right here, and the stock did take a lot of time to finally start uptrending. It was very choppy. It wasn't going. And with when you trade momentum stocks like this, you really want the volume to go to give you confirmation that it's a good stock to be in. And I didn't feel like I had that confirmation, which is why I cut it. And I decided to cut it all here. And as you can see, I ended up taking another quick dip trade on it at approximately 652, and I bought in at the price of 322. So as you can see here again, here's the time, 6:52 in the morning. I waited it to push up all the way here because to me it was still showing signs of consistent uptrend, right? It picked up in the morning, pulled back, picked up, pulled back, and then around here I got in at 322. And I ended up selling only for a few cents profit, 325. Nothing big, but the reason I wanted to be in it is I've been trading for a couple of years now, and this is just a pattern I find to be very consistent. So when it pulled back here, I saw an opportunity to buy in and sell if it popped quickly. So as you can see, those are my only 2 trades for the day, and that put me up at around 140 bucks for the day. And a lot of you might be wondering how much money I used to get that. And right now I'm using $2,500 to day trade. So every time I buy in and up, and it goes up 1% or goes down 1%, that would be $25 if you do the math. So this was the only stock I took part in today, and I was happy with that. I decided to call it for the day. There's a lot of others that ended up going too. You can take a look at when you look at the scanner. But yeah, that basically is it. Thank you all for watching, and this has been the first day trading recap.